Hello, Rising Star. We are in our Technique and Artistry book of our Piano Adventures primer level, and we are playing Merrily I Move Down and Merrily I Move Up. One is for the left hand and the other is for the right hand. Now we're playing C, D, and E with 4, 3, and 2, and we are going to be moving down for the left hand and up for the right hand. And before we get started doing that, let's look at our solfege pattern. So it's the same for both the left hand and the right hand. So we've got do, re, and mi. Okay? So here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Mi, re, do, re, mi. Mi. That's it. Let's do it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Mi, re, do, re, mi, mi. So that's easy. Okay, now our C, D, and E is on our red, orange, and yellow. So let's go through, and with our left hand, our second finger is going to be on yellow, third is on orange, and fourth is on red. So let's just go through and we will say our note names first, E, D, and C. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. E, D, C, D, E, E. E, D, C, D, E, E. E, D, C, D, E, E. Okay, let's do the Merrily I Move Up for the right hand. Fourth finger is on E, third finger is on orange, and our second finger is on red. Here we go. And we're going to start here. Not up here. We're going to move up here, but let's start here. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, C, D, E, 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 D, C, D, E, E. Okay, now let's go back here with our left hand, and we're going to say our finger numbers, 2, 3, and 4. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2. Now we're going to start here in the middle of the piano, and we're going to do the same thing, starting with our fourth finger on E. Ready? Go. 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, now last time through, it's time to do with our super beats. And we are going to be saying beat, 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 melon, melon. Okay, so left hand first. Right here. Ready? Go. Beat, 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 melon, melon. Beat, 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 melon, melon. Beat, 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 melon, melon. Time for the right hand. Same thing. Ready, go. Beat, 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 melon, melon. Beat, 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 melon, melon. Beat, 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 melon, melon. Okay, so this book, the Technique and Artistry book, this is your warm-up book. So you should always practice this book first. And here we have a little area for you to put an X in or a check mark every time you practice this piece. So now we are going to be looking at our musical patterns. So our left hand, the musical pattern moves down the keyboard, which is this direction. Here, which hand plays this pattern here? Is it the right hand or the left hand? Is this pattern the same as the left hand? Yes or no? And is this pattern moving up or down the keyboard? Okay, we are finished with this exercise. Hope you enjoyed it and that you did well. You're a rising star, so I know you've done well. See you next time.